Coco Lov. Oh, if you want the best in ice cream, come on in. There we go. Place to have your dessert or your party food that is dairy-free, cruelty-free. Well, guess what? You can have it. Being a raw vegan for 31 years, I love this place, Coco Lov, and this is Simone. Simone is the owner of Coco Lov. I would just like you to tell us what you have available here that a raw vegan would be really happy with.
So we make a raw vegan ice cream. We have, fortunately today, not so many coconuts, but we get every week a few hundred coconuts. Make the coconut milk fresh from the coconuts, and then we turn this into ice cream. In the ice cream, the base is fresh coconut milk, mature dates, and sea moss that we also produce here. So the ice cream is 100% raw, guilt-free, healing ice cream. And we have also desserts like the tiramisu. I turn everything into raw vegan. So this is actually the best seller here. Then we have the cinnamons. Those are made with dehydrated plantains.
I love plantains.
Dehydrated plantains.
Yeah.
The homemade chocolate spread is in between, and the frosting is sea moss, coconut butter, and coconut syrup. So everything is raw. We have also a selection of raw cakes. Today we have the chocolate cake available. And this is only made from, the crust is coconut flour, lucuma powder, and dates. And the mousse is just raw cacao, coconut, and dates. And a little bit of cacao butter to keep the shape. Because it's the season, we have also a raw pumpkin cake. This is made with butternut squash. And it's actually the same base. Coconut flour, I added a few spices. There's silent cinnamon, and we only work with the real silent cinnamon. And the mousse is also coconut, dates, butternut squash, cinnamon, pumpkin spices, this is clove, orange, ginger. Yeah, that's it. Everything raw.
Sounds good to me. And I love that you have like a watermelon, is that a watermelon juice?
This is black seeded watermelon juice from the big watermelons with the big black seeds, and it's pure juice.
Wow, that is beautiful. Look at that color.
We only work with the real ingredients. I'm crazy about everything clean, healthy, so
That's beautiful.
I only select the real fruits with the seeds. I would never use limes, only the key limes, the small ones with the seeds.
Wonderful. And I just want to say, yesterday my friend Carolyn and I came in and we each had scoops of ice cream. I had mango ice cream, I had soursop ice cream, vanilla ice cream. So amazing that you can go out and you don't need to have dairy ice cream. Nothing here from an animal, which makes it so special.
And almost everything is raw. Only the cones we have to make in the cone maker, and the waffles are from teff flour. Inside it's still raw, but outside it's a little baked.
Yeah.
So those are actually the only two things. I let you try yesterday also the cheese, right? The
Yeah.
coconut cheese, we make the coconut cheese, and sunflower seed meat as well. This is our
Super fun.
savory dish.
Yeah, so if you're in Florida, anywhere near Tampa, come to Coco Lov. What is the address?
3407 South McDill Avenue, 33629 Tampa.
Yeah, come here and say hi to Simone, and she'll give you some tastings of her delicious ice cream flavors.
This is a sample from the gingerbread, one of our seasonal flavors.
Gingerbread for the holidays. Oh my goodness. Tastes like a gingerbread cookie that I had when I was a kid that I don't eat anymore. It's great to be able to eat something that's both tasty as well as healthy.
We can create everything, every taste in a raw, vegan and healthy version. That's my specialty, to create everything into raw vegan. Even the cannoli cake, once a customer came in, can you make the cannoli cake? I had no idea what a cannoli cake is, but then I did some research and then I turned it into a raw vegan cake. Like in Germany, we have it's called Donauwelle. Here I turned this into raw vegan and everybody loves those cakes. In the summertime we have flavors like key lime or lemon ginger is also a very popular flavor. And in Colombia there is a fruit, it's called lulo. And this is, unfortunately, I cannot find it at the moment, and this is also very, very...
I know that.
Yeah.
My husband is Colombian, so I
Oh,
know that.
okay, because I always know when somebody knows about lulo,
Oh,
they must
yes,
be Colombian.
I do know. Yeah, that's great.
And what's also a very popular flavor is the passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
We make it normally in the summertime, or guava with mint. This is also very popular.
Some of the delicious ice cream flavors: vanilla, persimmon, mango, and soursop. I love them all. And because I don't eat cacao, Simone prepared me delicious carob mint ice cream. The Coco Lov staff picks fresh coconuts every day from the coconut bin.
Everybody calls me the coconut queen, and it's a reason behind it because I healed myself actually with the coconuts. I had Hashimoto in a very aggressive form, and I didn't want to take this medication that they tried to give me, and so I figured it out by myself. And coconuts helped me tremendous to get back to health. If you're diagnosed with anything, never give up. It's a chance. It's very often a chance to do something, and I'm very happy that I can share this with the public. Young coconut, so those are easy to open. We just, this opener, open this here, turn the flower up, then go in here, turn it around, then fresh coconut water.
This is the best. I love these real coconuts. These are incredible. Wow.
Those here, those are the older ones. This is hard work to get into them. So, my machete.
Machete
Save
time.
them down. This has meat and water. The water is more sweet. You see this full of meat? And I pour the water out and you see it's more blurry. This water is more sweet than this one.
And this one's pretty good, so that one must be really good.
Make the coconut milk for the ice cream.
Coconut milk with the water and the meat?
Yeah.
Best coconut milk around.
This coconut, we just cut, that has meat, and you you can tell this is more blurry and more sweet than the fresh coconut. And coconuts are magical, so the taste of the water changes with the time they mature. This is very, very interesting. Huh? Okay. And a taste for you.
Thank you.
And you can tell the difference.
Oh yeah, definitely sweeter, but this is also delicious. One of my friends comes down to Florida and she does a 7-day fast on coconut water.
And you should always, when you have something, when you're sick or anything, just drink coconut water. Fast with coconut water and you're good.
Yes.
Immediately.
Thank you so much, Simone. This was super fun. Definitely come to Coco Lov.